I think we are about to start the Adda, but before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, the world champion. We don't have many such in India. So big applause for him. And the world champion beginning at such a young age and then keeping it, it's not an easy thing to do. And that too in a complicated game over which some people and some nationalities had a monopoly for so long. So wish you congratulations again. You do us all proud. My partner this evening and co-host, Mr. Rajendra Pawar, who all of you know. He runs NIIT, which, Government of India educates and makes literate crores of people. He makes many lakhs of them employable. Are there any NIIT graduates here? Not yet, but population will grow. So Mr. Pawar, besides other things, I mean, because he's a very good businessman and also very knowledgeable about sports, he figured that since he was in the knowledge business, the brand ambassador he wanted was not Aishwarya Rai or Shah Rukh Khan, but somebody who represented Indian intellect and Indian brain power. So who better than Vishwanathan Anand? So you can see that Rajiv Pawar is not wearing his company's logo on his body, but Vishy is. So you've chosen well. Congratulations. And then you also made sure that he won all these championships. So we'll get started, usual format. Vishy, this is a country where 11 people play cricket, but 1.2 billion think they are cricket coaches. It's the opposite for chess, right? In fact, it's very different for chess because a few people play chess in the entire country, and then almost nobody understands chess. How do you deal with that situation? What are the questions you have to answer? Everybody's proud of you for being a world champion. But how's life different from you than, say, for Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
I think even for me it has changed. So when I started playing chess, the big thing was, will we ever have a grandmaster? And so for a while that was easy. And I think in the 80s, for people who didn't know a lot about chess, the easiest thing was to say that they've watched Fischer Spassky when they were young or when they were in college, and perhaps mention one or two stories like that, and then swiftly move on. But you could see that, at least in the beginning, when I won the World Junior, then became a grandmaster, and then I started meeting people, it was fairly limited to a few topics because they didn't know what to say. And I think the chess world was rather mysterious to them. Then over time, it started to get better and better because there was more and more coverage. And I think also at the level of chess, many of them started playing chess. So I started, or following in some way. So I started hearing slightly more sophisticated questions about the openings I'd selected or some details like that, which was fascinating to see how that was evolving. In a way, the kind of sophisticated question that you might get about cricket, like you mentioned, in India. So even for me, there's been a big change.